Our multi-name stamp is a quick and flexible way to label clothing with different names using the same stamp. Make sure the garment is clean, completely dry and laid flat on a firm surface. Before you begin, add a small amount of the supplied ink to the ink pad. Use only enough to moisten the surface evenly. There is no need to empty the whole bottle. Allow the ink a moment to soak into the pad before use. Lightly dab the rubber nameplate onto the ink pad, making sure the whole name is evenly covered without over-inking it. Test the stamp first on a piece of paper or a spare garment to practice and check ink and the print. Position the name where you would like it on the garment and press down firmly and evenly. Avoid moving or rocking the stamp too much, as this can blur the print. Allow the ink to dry fully before handling the garment and leave it for at least 24 hours before washing. The stamp works best on smooth, absorbent fabrics and may be less visible on very dark or heavily textured materials. And that's it! You can quickly switch between names and label different garments in just a few seconds.